Welcome to my channel. My name is François. I live in Lisbon. If you have ever dreamed of making money online but don't want to deal with creating a product, guess what? You don't have to. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn 100% commission with no product creation involved. So no product, no problem. Here is the secret. So digital product with resale right. So I'm going to show you how you can own some product. You can resell them without having to create them. You can see, and you are tapping now into existing proven product created by some expert. All you need to do is to share them with other, and every sales you make is 100% profit pay straight to your account. These here are some example of some digital product that you can own. Right here we have 4 digital products. We have one here, another one, and we have the third one and the fourth one. So these are products that you can own and you can resell them and earn unlimited commission. So through master resale right. So you can own all these 4 products by buying them first, and you can resell them and earn unlimited amount of commission. In this video, you're going to see some proof that it is working and it can work for you also. And with digital product, there is no headache. With product development, inventory, you don't have to do, and or even you don't have to deal with customer service. These products are already designed to sell. You just focus on marketing, and we also show you how to market your business using social media platform online. You will learn all step by step. You learn as you earn at the same time. And here is the best part. You keep all the money, and then this can give you time freedom, you and your family, so you can do whatever you want. This digital product can help you to do so. You will have money and time freedom. So these are the products that talk about. The 4 digital product. You can earn 100, 300, $600, and also $900 commission. 100% are yours if you are selling digital product. These 4 products, you can get them and resell them. You can see here, this is how you can get a master reseller. This is my website where you can get them. So you need to buy them first to own them. And you can see here the first product. The first product here is cost $100. This is the our lowest product. If you want to own this product, you need 100 plus $29. 129. The $29 is the company to create the website for you to host your product, so you can resell this product. So this product, you can only earn unlimited $100 payment if you buy this product. So if you start at this $300 level product, it will give you access to 2 income stream. You can earn unlimited 300 and $100 payment. So this level is 300 plus $29 for the website fee. So it is $329 that you need to start at this level, and you will own this product and the first product also included. So every higher product you purchase, all the lowest are included free, and you can resell them. You can see here you have 2 products to resell, and if you start at the $600 level, this product plus $29 website fee, it is $629. So you will own the first 2 products will be included free for you. So that means you will have 3 products to resell. So you can earn unlimited $600 here, unlimited 300, and unlimited $100 payment. So this gives you access to 3 income streams. If you start at the top level, our highest product level is the $900 product. It can give you all the 4 products you will own them, and you can earn unlimited $900, 600, 300, and a $100 payment. So this level is only one-time investment, $900 plus $29 a website fee. So the company earn the money through the website creation. They will create a website and to host your product inside the website so that you can be able to resell them, because you get master resell work. So these are the 4 levels. Remember, you can start at any level. You can always upgrade. You have 60 days to upgrade and pay the difference. Otherwise, you will have to pay every one of these products individually, and it can cost more if you buy them one by one. But if you can afford, start at the highest you can afford and make your way to the top. You need to be at this level where you own all the 4 products, and it can give you a unlimited earning potential. And these are truly some of the best digital products that you can own. And the best thing is that you can do this on your own term. Just a couple of hours a day can generate hundred or even thousands of dollars in pure profit for you. So if you are looking for a simpler way to generate some serious income without creating a single product yourself, this is it. I have gotten a system that can help you start earning today. And if you want to know how to get started, then you will see a link in the description box of this video below, and let's get you set up to start earning 100% commission right now. So I will also drop my link in the comment section also for you to get access. And now let me show you some earning proof or statement inside our community of over 43,000 active members. These are members from all background, from all across the globe inside our community. And today is Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024. Here are some proof that I took inside the community. You can see that was 9 hours ago. So individual earning may vary, but it is possible to duplicate similar result or even greater than what we are seeing today. You can see here, Sade, she posted 9 hours ago. She said 3 weeks in and over $50,000 earned. So this, she been in this business for only 3 weeks. You can see here the power of digital product can help you to earn enough money online. So in fact, it's a 5 weeks total. So the first 3 weeks she earned $7,000, and week 4 she earned $17,000, and week 5 she earned $26,000. So that means in fact it's the total of 5 weeks. So just over 1 month, and she earned 50K. So this is powerful, and anyone can do this from any country. You can see Daryl posted here, that was 17 hours ago. She's also a member of our community. She earned $255,000 in 10.5 months into this business. So he said, had a $900 commission come in while pulling into the driveway, $4,000 in the last 6 days, and over $255,000 since he started in January. Just unreal what can happen in your life when you look into the right business, into the right community, the one we have here. So this can truly be a life changing for you also if you take action today. Congratulations to everyone. Let's see some more. You can see inside our community, you can see the win tab is selected. This is where I went to took the screenshot. You will get full access. If you get started, you will be able to join our community where you can have full access. And you can see, yeah, that was 9 hours ago, pearl she posted. She said, Windsor. I think she's from South Africa, if I'm not mistaken. But this is what she said here. I got a cell from the UK. This is what she said. And stay consistent and trust in yourself, trust in the process. So she earned a $100 commission. Someone purchased the lowest product, the $100 product level. She earned this commission there. And Anlin posted 2 hours ago, also in our win page here, and she also earned a $100 a payment, a notification that she received from a stranger. Do you do what you are supposed to do? Stay positive at all times. Learn as much as you can, and money will come. We are making daily dollar here. Congratulations! You can see people are earning anywhere from $100 to $900 per sale because they own this digital product that I do share with you. You can own them also if you get started today. Okay, let's continue to see some more here. Alessandra, she posted 10 hours ago. She said, beginner can make money. So that is a beginner friendly business. This is what she said, $900 at 1 a.m. last night. So, and she said, I am a homeschooling mom. I have made $15,000 in nearly 4 months with this program. I haven't had social media in 5 years. I started at zero. So I post 3 times a day and go live. So inside our community, we have some classroom where you have all the step-by-step training and how you can also learn. So anyone can do this from any country. You can see this is proof that they're all average people like you, like me. So, and what you can say to yourself here is this: if they can do it, I can do it. So, and it's true, it can happen to you also. You see, same 10 hours ago also, Lydia posted. She earned $3,600 in 10 days with this business. She said, I am so grateful to God. I took a leap of faith because I am expecting my first baby, she said, and went all in with Legacy Builder. So she started at the $900 level. You see, she owned all the 4 products. She said, I am still learning, but I just follow the blueprint and speak live. And her message continued. You can see new people are also earning. So can you, if you take action. Tanya, 10 hours ago also in our community, she posted. She got her first sale. She said, yeah, been a few months since I have started and I finally had my first person join. Been crazy busy with remodeling our home and my job, she said. So some people can take faster, some people can take a while. It depends how much time you have to put into your business. So all you need is a minimum of 2 hours a day. Some people are very busy, they don't have enough time, so it can take a while, but it works. So you can see here, 12 hours ago, Melissa posted here. This is what she said. She said here, it worked. So the program worked. And she's very excited. She said, first sale in first week, you see. In only 1 week, she got started. She already got her first sale. She said, I'm so excited that I broke even. Now I can sit back, relax, and enjoy the process. Congratulations. So these are proof that I'm sharing with you because this business is truly a life-changing business. That is why I got started, and that is why I'm sharing with you, because I believe it can help you also. So many people are looking for something like this that can help them to earn some additional income or to fulfill their goal and dream is possible. And congratulations to everyone, and let's continue. My goal here is to help people like you who have a vision and want to become their own boss. People who want to earn more money working less time, as we learn to do this with only 2 hours a day. So we have enough time to do whatever we want. So my goal is to help people who want to earn a minimum of $2,000 to over $5,000 per month. My goal is also to help people who want to have more time freedom to do whatever they want. People who want to travel wherever and whenever they want without asking for a permission. This is my goal, to help you fulfill your dream and your goal with this program. If you take action today, it can also help you to learn and earn at the same time. This can transform anyone's financial situation. You will also get access to our private community. You can see here, I updated this today. We are now at over 43,300 members. 270 people were online today, a few minutes ago, when I was taking the screenshot from inside the community. So this is the best place to be, and the goal here is to create 1,000 six-figure income earner and a 1,000 millionaire. We already have a lot of six-figure income earner. We also have a few millionaire. You could be one of them if you get started today. So this is my website address. You will also find it in the description box of this video. If you find this video useful, please give me a like. And also, if you have any question, please drop them in the comment section. I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. And please also subscribe to support the growth of my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. I see you on my next video. Okay, bye for now.